Welcome. My name is Tony Aguiar. I'm with ACP. I'm here at the Primrose Gathering Place, and I'd like to talk to you about the Amana RC30 microwave oven. Now, just to give you an idea how this microwave oven compares to your regular microwave oven at home, if something at home took you 10 minutes to cook or heat, this oven will do it in less than 2.5 minutes. Just to give you an example of what we're dealing with. Now, what I'd like to do today is go over some of the basic operations and the functions of the oven to get you more familiar with the oven. We'll start up top with the icons. So the first icon here on the top of the oven is a ×8 icon, and that is for if you're doing multiples of the same item and multiples of up to 8. All you need to do is press that button. Next, we have the icon that looks like a clock, and that is for entering your time into the oven to do your cook cycle. Next, we have what looks like a triangle with lines in it with 0 to 10, and that is for programming your microwave energy in 10% increments, anywhere from 0 to 100%. After that, we have what looks like a stair step with 1 through 4. That is doing items, if you want to do items in multiple stages. For example, if something is boiling over and you want to do something at 100%, in stage 2, you would take that down to maybe 60%, where the item wouldn't boil over and you can still continue the cooking process. Next, we have what looks like a book, and that is for editing and programming your program keys on the right-hand side of the oven. On the right here, we have the numerical keypad, and that is for entering your time, entering microwave power, in your program buttons, basically. On the bottom here, we have a red circle, and that is to either pause or stop a cook cycle. Next to it, we have a green button, and that is basically used to start your cook cycle. Now, if you wanted to do a manual cook, all you need to do is open and close the door to activate the oven. You can see that it says ready now, and I'm going to press the icon that looks like a clock. I'm going to do 30 seconds for time, and let's say I'm going to do microwave at 60%. So I press number 6. That's all there is. And from here, I press the green button, and I'm off. It's cooking. Now, if I want to pause my cook cycle, all I need to do is to press the red button once, and it paused the cook cycle. Now, if I want to continue this cook cycle, all I need to do is press the green button. Now, let's say what I took out was fine, and I'm all set. All I need to do is press the red button, and it'll clear. It'll go back to 0, and I'm ready to go on to my next item. If I wanted to save something into a program, all I would do would be to press the icon that looks like a book, and let's say I'm going to program it to number 1. So right now there's nothing in it. I'm going to add some time to that. I'm going to do 30 seconds. And I'm going to leave that at 100%. But let's say, as I was talking about having 2 stages, I'm going to do another stage. Now in stage 2, I am going to do 20 seconds. And let's say I'm going to do 30%. Okay? Now I'm done. This is my setting. I want to save that. I press the book again. And now when I go to cook my item, all I need to do is press number 1, and the time is in there, and it's all set to go. Now, as far as cleaning the oven, there are really 2 things that you need to worry about. On the bottom, you have an air filter. Now, these 2 pegs on the bottom, they will unscrew, and all you need to do is unscrew those 2 pegs, remove your filter, wash it in your 3-compartment sink with how you normally would wash anything else, put it back in, and screw the pegs. Now, the reminder is just a reminder. The oven does not know that you clean your filter after you've cleaned it. So the reminder will keep coming up for a total of 24 hours. Okay, so that's all it is a reminder. Now, on the inside of the oven, as far as cleaning, and you can just use basic soapy water. You don't need any special chemicals or anything else to do. So keep the door, the floor, the sides, and the top. You don't need to remove the top. The plastic cover on top of the oven, you can just wipe that down. Just keep your oven clean it on a daily basis, and that will just ensure the longevity of the oven and proper working of the oven. You'll find that the Amana RC30 microwave oven will be a great asset to your kitchen and a very efficient way to produce your Primrose Healthy Menu program. Have fun cooking.